Hello friends! My name is Jaswin Mark A. Ilag, and today we will be presenting a science experiment. And today's experiment will be about decantation. But first, for people who don't know, let's define decantation. Decantation is a simple physical method used to separate mixtures of liquids and solids, or two liquids that do not mix. It works by letting the heavier or denser part settle to the bottom. We can slowly pour the top of the liquid into a new container. Since we now know the definition of decantation, let's head to the experiment. To do this, we're going to need two containers, some water, and a dense solid. We're going to be using rice for this one, so we can use this in our everyday life. So I have this container of water, and I will put rice in it. Let's put about 3 scoops of rice in it. That's 1 scoop. That's the second scoop. And that's the third scoop. Let's wait for it to settle in the bottom, and let's start the actual experiment. We grab the container, slowly put the water in the second container, and leaving the rice in the first container. Fun fact! Decantation can be used for cooking rice, pancit canton, and etc. And just like that, we have separated rice and water through decantation. So, that's going to be it for today. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope this helped in your everyday life. Once again, this is Jaswin Mark A. Ilag, signing out. Bye!